Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so good morning everyone. Today I would like to talk about a very important issue that not only affect our daily life but also determine the future of our planet, which is depend on single-use plastic. And as we know, single-use plastic is something we use almost every day without even thinking about it, such as plastic bag and then plastic bottles and then straws, food packaging, and many other items that are designed to be used only once and then thrown away. But the problem is, even though we only use them for a few minutes, they remain in the environment for hundreds of years. So the question is, should we ban single-use plastic? And of course, my answer is absolutely yes. We should ban it because the negative impact are far greater than the benefit. First of all, single-use plastic causes serious environmental damage, and then plastic waste pollution our ocean, and then our rivers and forests, and even our city. And when plastic ends up in the ocean, it becomes a deadly threat to marine life. Many animals such as turtles and then fish and seabird often mistake plastic for food. For example, turtles think plastic bags are jellyfish, and then when they eat them, they can choke and then suffer internal injuries or even die. And this is not just a small problem. Millions of tons of plastic enter the ocean every year, creating massive pollution that continue to grow over time. Plastic break down into very small pieces called microplastic. And this microplastic can enter the food chain, meaning they can be found in the fish we eat, the water we drink, and eventually inside our own body, which is extremely dangerous for human health. And then secondly, plastic takes a very long time to decompose. Unlike organic waste that can break down naturally, plastic can take up to 100 until 500 years to decompose, which means that almost every piece of plastic ever created still exists today in some form. Just imagine when the plastic you use today could still be on this planet when you are great grandchild are alive. And if we continue using plastic at the same rate, the amount of waste will only keep increasing and then creating an endless cycle of pollution that will be very difficult to stop. Thirdly, some people argue that plastic is cheap and then practical and then convenience. And yes, that is true. Plastic make our life easier in many ways, but convenience should not come at the cost of environmental destruction, especially when we already have many better and more suitable alternatives. For example, we can use reusable shopping bags instead of plastic bag. We can bring our own bottle made of stainless steel or glass instead of buying plastic bottle. We can choose paper or biodegradable packaging instead of plastic packaging. And many business and community around the world have already started to adopt this alternative successfully, which is proves that living without using single-use plastic is not impossible. It just require awareness and commitment. Now, I would like to move to the campaign part because change does not only come from police or government regulation but also from individual action. So, I would like to invite everyone here to start making small change in your daily life. For example, always bring your own shopping bag when you are go to the store and then carry a reusable bottle wherever you go. Refuse plastic straw when buying drinks and try to support brand and business that use eco-friendly packaging. And even more than that, we can spread awareness by talking to our friends and then our family and then our community about the danger of plastic. We can use social media to share information and encourage others to reduce their plastic use. And then we can participate the environmental campaigns or cleanup activity, because even small action when done consistently and collectively can create a very big impact. Some people may say that banning single-use plastic is inconvenience, expensive, or unrealistic, especially in developing country. But I believe that protecting our environment is far more important than temporary convenience. And then, while it may seem difficult at first, people will eventually adapt, and then just like how we adapt to many change in life. And in the long term, using reusable and sustainable product can actually save money and reduce waste. So it is not only good for the environment but also beneficial for us. And then in conclusion, single-use plastic brings more harm than benefit. It pollutes our environment and then our harms animals, takes hundreds of years to decompose, and even threatens human health. Therefore, banning single-use plastic is not just an option but a responsibility that we must take seriously, because we only have one planet in life on. And if we do not take action now, the damage may become irreversible. So let us work together, start from small action, support positive change, and be part of the solution. No problem, let us create a cleaner, healthy, and more suitable world for ourselves and for future generation. Thank you very much for your attention. Belas Aisyah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.